and the adventure begins. So we've arrived in Lahore. So first things first, explore a bit of the city. Drone footage of a really busy street. Speakeasy. So we're in a bar in Lahore. We had to go to this unmarked door and it's basically like someone's house. But it's a really cool spot, check it out. First night in Pakistan and we end up at a house party having a bit of crack, drinking and dining with the upper echelons of Pakistani Lahore society. Check this out.
There's a shrine in Turkey, right?
Yes, there is. Yeah. There's like not in one of the cities or
Yeah.
Next stop, Islamabad.